Hello all, my name is Krishnak and welcome to my vlogging channel. So guys, a general Q&A video, and in this particular video I'm going to discuss about salaries. Now when I say about salaries, the topic is that what should be the ideal salary based on market and experience. That is what I'm actually going to share. And for this particular video I've taken the example of IT companies, guys, not other job profiles, specifically related to IT job companies. All the job profiles like software developer, software engineer, probably tester, or analytics manager, or data scientists, big data engineers and all. And always remember, based on different job profiles also your salary will vary. If probably you're in the machine learning category and all, or you're in the data science, probably your salary will be very much higher when compared to testing background and all the other backgrounds are there, and that will vary. And your salary also varies based on the city, based on the tier 1 city or tier 2 city that you are actually living. So in this example I'm just going to consider tier 1 city like Bangalore, Mumbai, Gurgaon, New Delhi, something like that. Okay. So when I was a fresher, when I startingly joined after my college placements, my salary was somewhere around 3.5 package. And remember, if I consider with respect to the fresher, you don't have any experience, so that is like 3 times more, right? But just imagine once you become 1 or 2 years of experience. Always remember this particular factor, guys, like how much should be your salary. Always try to see, suppose you are 2 years of experience, and if you try to multiply your salary by 2 times, okay, so when I say 2 into 2 lakh rupees INR, that is actually 4 lakhs INR specifically in India. And here I'm going to take an example of India, guys. Okay, so if it is 4 lakh rupees INR salary when you're 2 years experience, that basically means based on the market you are having 2 times more. You are basically having the salary of 2 times. Now when you are having the salary of 2 times, this is called as an ideal situation right now based on this market and inflation factor. If you are having salary less than 2 times, then just assume that you are actually getting lesser salary when compared to others. Okay. And probably if you are getting more than 2 times, it is also a very good salary, guys, because you are on top of the market, right? So based on the market, at least you should be having 2 times of the salary, guys. I know people will be saying, Krish, it is very difficult because probably we don't belong to the same job profile. It may be, guys. So I'm saying you that this is the median range that we usually take. So always make sure that your salary is around 2 times at any point of time. If it is coming below, probably you're working for a company for some n number period of time. If it is coming below, just imagine that that is the time where you really need to switch. Okay, this is very much important, because understand there are more people, there are also many people who will be getting less than 2 times and they're comfortable with the work that they are doing. But understand, in some tier 1 cities, based on the expenditure and all, that salary will not be sufficient. I have always made sure that whenever I join a company or whenever I am in the company, I always make sure that my job, based on my job and based on my profile, my salary is always 2 times at least, because I was living in a tier 1 city itself, right? So because of that, the expenditure was also more and financial constraint was also more. Okay, so always make sure that you keep this strategy by this particular way. If you feel that your salary is coming down, that is the time that you really need to switch, unless and until you're having love with the company, your company gives you a long-term opportunities, long-term on-sites opportunities. From that also you can actually earn a lot of money, right? So this was just an example video to tell you like how you should basically decide whether you are getting the salary based on the market or not. At least 2 times you can consider. I have seen people who are getting more than 5 times based on the years of experience. Like one of my friend, he's just around 4 to 5 years and he's getting 25 lakhs in Walmart, in companies like Flipkart. So again, I told you, based on job profiles, based on companies, you will be getting salaries, but always try to make sure that you have that 2 times constraint added to it. And if it is coming below that, always plan to make a switch. This will be better for you only. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe the channel if you are not already subscribed. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you one and all. Bye bye.